Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So today I have tried the Metahuman Animator, which is quite new and really cool. So let's see what we will make. So this is the end product. Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So this is the first time I am testing out Metahuman Animator. So I'm not sure how it will look on the TV, so let's try and plug it out, okay? So this was the thing which I created. So I will just bring my content browser here and will undo everything so you can have the idea what I have done. So let me delete everything out, or maybe I can create some or maybe I can do one thing. Let me create the new fresh project so you can have like we all can be on the same page. So epic, let me open the launcher. Okay, so I want the empty project and I will name it as Metahuman Animator test and I don't want any starter content and just create it. So first thing which you have to do is like switch on the plugin, which is the Metahuman one, and you have to install one application called LiveLink on your iPhone. You can also do that on the Animator, sorry, the Android phone. So Metahuman, I have already installed it, so just yes, and let me click restart. And second thing which you have to do, like install that application live link inside your phone and record your video. I have already recorded mine, so let me show you how I did. So this is the outcome. So this is the video which I created. So look on the TV, so let's try and plug it out, okay? The first thing which you have to do while recording the video, first keep the neutral, move left, move right, then show your teeth if you want, then make then you can start the original recording. So I have already done that, so I will go forth. Okay, so I can restart it again. As I have switched on the plugin, it is asking me to restart it. Just click OK. Okay, next thing is go right click and check if the Metahuman Animator is there. If yes, it's well and good, you have switched on it successfully. In the Metahuman Animator, click on the capture source. So this is the capture source where you will set like from where you want to download your file. As it is in my local, so I will choose live link face archives. If you have direct connection, you can go for live link face connection. I just have to set the path. It's in my desktop, so I will just click there, will click save and good to go. Next thing is I will go to the tools and click on the capture manager. So capture manager is showing green as it is in my local, so it is saying okay, it is ready. Select it, add to queue, and this is like import all take from the queue. So what it will do, it will process everything out and will import everything in the asset folder. It's done, so you can just go to the Metahuman folder which is just created. So this is showing that okay, calibration, time coding and audio. You can also go to this audio. So this is the audio file. Yep, but this is the whole audio file. So go back, right click, go to the Metahuman Animator and click on Metahuman Identity. So what it will do, in the Metahuman Identity, it will create the mesh, it will create the teeth, and it will capture the data from the video. So Metahuman Identity, double click it, put it here. The Metahuman Identity, just create the component from footage and select your footage. It might get stuck while this, as it is capturing the data for the first time. Okay, it is up. Now first what you have to do, this is just the neutral face, or if not then you can just move this while just to get the neutral face, and click plus. It will ask that this is front, just press OK, and this will track everything out. Okay, so this is the tracker which you have done. And if while you will click on the MetaHuman identity solve, if it seems fit, okay, yep, this is forward, like everything is in place. If not, you can move here and there just to make it like mine is good. Then I will click the MetaHuman identity solver. What it will do, it will create the MetaHuman for you, like face, as it is all the data. So I will wait for it just to finish. It's done. Next thing is I want it to be full, so first I will select the body type, then I will click on the auto rig identity, the mesh, and the full body. So this is the step where you have to log in the Epic Games. So I will log in for the password. Let me see if it will let me do elephant verify. Perfect. It will talk to the backend, it will send your data, but there is one mistake which I have done, if I'm not wrong, but we can tweak that later. Like we haven't add the teeth yet, so what I will do, add part. See, the teeth is not enabled. Let me check if we can do that, or else we will go forward without teeth. That we can do. Okay, it is saying that now this MetaHuman DNA is available in the content browser. Just click OK. Again, we will try to add the teeth. Select the teeth. Go to that frame where I have poses for the teeth. Now again, I will press plus. Just press OK. Now everything is in place, I guess. So I will just press on fit teeth. So once everything is done, you can make changes from the right hand side. Okay, teeth is also done. Now you can, now everything is done. Press save and click on prepare for performance. What it will do, it will prepare the MetaHuman identity. So right now when you will see here, it is already there. Prepare performance, it will finalize everything. Okay, so the MetaHuman identity is trained now. Just press save. It took time for me, and click save here. Now this is the identity solver. Perfect. We can go and check everything is fine. Again, go to Metahuman Animator, choose Metahuman Performance. Let's open it. So here you can choose your captured frame, and here you can choose the Metahuman identity as you have created it. And next is the override visualizer, but I am good with this. So this is how it has created my face. Okay, so first thing is you can just choose the start frame, like from where you want to, create the animation, like you want to export the animation. So I think to
Hi all, so welcome to the today's
so this is the real animation which I do want. I think it is starting from 290 if I'm not wrong, and at the end it is going till 704. I think it will work. So just press save and click process, because if right now if you will play,
Hi, so welcome
see
to
nothing
the
is
today's
happening. Just click process, so it will process everything from this frame, starting from the end frame. It is keying everything out just to create that animation for you. Okay, everything is done now. If you will I'm just pressing save as it can crash the things out for me. One thing you have to do, like while creating the export and processing these things out, in the project setting, you can increase the cache size. Go to the plugin IMG Media. So here it is saying caching behind the percentage is 25. I will put it 60, and I will make everything to 6 or maybe higher, like cache size GB and the global cache size is 6. So if anything goes wrong, I will still have some cache, so it won't harm. Next thing, you can just click on the export animation. So I will choose the main folder just to export the animation out. Okay, just press create. It will create the animation for you. Go to the content and check. See, it is working fine. Next thing is like to put this in the Metahuman. What I will do, I will create a Metahuman from Quixel Bridge. So go to edit, sorry, window. Go to the Quixel Bridge. So I have already multiple Metahuman. I will choose any one of it. Maybe a slim guy. Maybe Zen. Just click press. It will import the Zen for me. Once it is done, we can go to check like Metahuman folder is available in Zen. I can open Zen, bp_zen. It is taking time. Just enable everything. And by default, groom components are not there, so we have to enable them. Okay, enable missing. It will ask you to restart. Just press restart now. It shouldn't take long. Okay, it is done. Just press OK. It will open everything for you. Now open bp_zen. If you have enabled everything out, it will load the groom. Okay, check in the viewport, everything is there. So as soon as you will go out, you can see like its hairs are going. So you can just force the LOD 0, so it will always be there. You can also change the LOD settings as distance. We can tweak it out. So in the face, we can go to that animation blueprint and we can change the settings from there. This is the one thing which we can do. Or okay, the animation is not visible for Zen if I'm not wrong. Let me check the Zen's face so we can retarget it. Zen face, let me check if it is coming for him. Nope. Let me go to the content again, new Metahuman, export animation. I will again choose the main content, click save. Yes, this time I will change the static mesh. Zen face mesh, create. By default it should have chosen the same skeleton mesh. Let's see, that's weird. Let me check. Okay, now it is coming fine. I just restart the system and I changed little settings like override visualize. I selected Zen and export the animation again. Now it is running fine, as you can see. Perfect. So now what we will do, I will create, me open that selector again. I will create the export level sequence again, change selecting the root content, press save, uh, create. So what it will do, it will take this whole scene into the level sequence. So as soon as you will drag it, let me play.
I also welcome.
So you can see, let me remove this. No. Uh, okay, let's drag it here. Open it, play it.
For the today's tutorial.
So what we will do, we will just delete everything and I will drag drop the Zen. So I'll go to the Metahuman Zen, drag drop the BP Zen. Okay, go back to the sequencer. I just want to animate the face. Let me change the light direction. Okay, pressing G. Next thing is I will delete the body as I don't want anything in the body, just want face to be rigged. So go to the track, animation, AS new animation performance. So let me play.
So this is the first time I am testing out Metahuman Animator. So I'm not sure how it will look on the TV. So let's try.
Okay, I don't think this is in sync. So what I will do, in the animation,
How it's out.
okay, but animation, let me replace the animation.
I
Play
also.
it. Okay, this is
So
empty. Again, let me add the animation, AS animation. This, it is not reflecting here.
I also welcome to the
Okay,
today's
perfect.
tutorial.
So by default it will be shown here where it is placed. So if I will play
I
again,
also welcome to the today's tutorial. So this is the first time I am testing out Metahuman Animator. So I'm not sure how it will look on the TV. So let's try and plug it out. Okay.
so this was it. I think you got the idea how we can create a meta human animation, all the gadgets which you do need and the plugin thing. So this is it for today. Just do like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.